Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Oak Hills Place, a quiet residential neighborhood in Baton Rouge known for its tree-lined streets and suburban charm. The area developed primarily in the mid to late 20th century as Baton Rouge expanded outward from the downtown core. Most homes are single-family residences, with a mix of architectural styles including ranch, contemporary, and traditional designs. The neighborhood features well-kept lawns, sidewalks, and parks, making it ideal for families and outdoor activities. Local schools, small shopping areas, and community centers serve the residents and help create a close-knit atmosphere. Driving through Oak Hills Place, you'll notice peaceful streets, mature oak trees, and well-established neighborhoods that reflect the city's steady growth. The area is also conveniently connected to major roads, providing access to downtown Baton Rouge, Louisiana State University, and nearby commercial hubs. While primarily residential, Oak Hills Place has seen some modern development, including new homes and small businesses that cater to local needs. The neighborhood's layout and design reflect mid-20th century urban planning, focusing on family life, accessibility, and green spaces. Oak Hills Place demonstrates how Baton Rouge has expanded over time, offering a suburban lifestyle while remaining connected to the city's cultural and economic centers. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity. Thanks for watching!